My workbench is missing a work light, and sure, I could just use a desk lamp, but I'd rather create something myself to my own requirements. I want my design to be powered using USB-C since it's becoming much more common and it's just easy to use. The tactility of these toggle switches is something which I really like. They are just so nice to use. I opted to use skewers as a mechanical component, but since some were oversized, I had to shave them. Being able to move the lamp over my workspace is important since it allows me to position the light as I want to. That is why I include a hinge point into design through which the cable is routed. The LED module, which I am using, gets quite hot, so heat sinks are necessary. These were placed on the back side of the module to remove all the excess heat. I think the design came out quite nicely. The backboard mounting allows me to reposition the light as I want to and always have my work illuminated.